Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Alright, I got a quick video here for you guys who having problem where your vent is not blowing air, either hot or cold. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna come, most car is gonna be on the passenger kick panel here. You might have to remove a couple screws to get to it, but this is what you're looking for. You're gonna be looking for this plug that's going to the motor, to the blower motor. So you can either find a car battery or a jumper like I got here, and you're gonna put 2 leads on it, on the cable, and then you gotta make sure the black goes to the ground and then the purple to the power. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna touch them here. This might be a little hard with 2 hands. Okay, let me pick up the other one right there. So as I touch it, if the blower motor is good, it should blow air. You hear that? Okay, so we know the blower motor is good. So before you spend money on, you know, throwing parts on your car, make sure you do that test before you buy the blower motor, because most people think that if it's not blowing air, is the blower motor is burnt out. But it could be a 50-50 chance, but 90% is gonna be your resistor. So this is what we're gonna be changing. So original, this other plug goes right here. Another way you can tell that your resistor is bad. Let me put the key on, or hold on, I don't even need the key. You see, if you get in, even though the car is off, I'm getting power on the ground, and I'm getting power on the positive. And I'm also getting power here through this one. So I believe that's not supposed to be hot when the car is off. And then when you turn the key on, you still got power on the ground. You're not supposed to have power on the ground. So that means this little thing here, the blower motor resistor, is shorted out inside. All right, so I'm gonna get a new one, replace it, and that should fix the problem. All right, here we got a 5.5. Unplug it now. So this is what I'm going to be replacing. All right, let's go get a new one. All right, here's the part number. So I'm still here at the auto part. I want to just put that in real quick, make sure everything works. Get the old one there, compare side by side, everything look good, plugs are the same. So we just put it in, put the bolts and connect it. see. Oh yeah. You hear that? So now if we come over here, yes, that's how you do it. All right, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. Now you know how to fix your blower motor.